How to go live on Plenty of Fish. Hey everybody, welcome back to Login Joints. In today's video, I'm going to show you step-by-step process of how you can do so. Without any further ado, let us get started. Open up your application from your device. Then get logged into your account and tap onto the second last option just beside the heart icon. Tap onto Proceed, then tap onto Next at the bottom of the page. Here it will show you how it works. Read all these and tap onto Next. Here tap on Start Watching. Now at this section, you can either watch others live or go live yourself. To search for any particular person that you want to see the live of, just tap onto the search icon, type in their name, and you will be able to see their live. And if you would like to go live yourself, just tap on to go live at the middle section and you will be able to do so. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We will be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, hit the subscribe button. We will catch you up soon.